Welcome to INFINAIR. Integrated with R&D, tailor-making, manufacturing, and international serviceability, INFINAIR provides you complete, high-quality ventilation and industrial process air solution. Not only an international finance center, a business hub, but also Shanghai is leading the manufacturing capability over China. Please follow us to visit our immense 33,000 square meter manufacturing center right here in the dynamic and amazing global city. Since 2003, INFINAIR started in a small workshop in Jiading, Shanghai. Now the modern R&D and manufacturing center are busy servicing the customers from all over the world. But the dream of INFINAIR, extraordinary experience of customers, and happy life of family members has never changed. Products we offer are including commercial construction ventilation, industrial process blowers, and infrastructure ventilation. The commercial construction fans are including axial, inline centrifugal, roof, sidewall fans, and positive inducing ventilators. The industrial process blowers we offer can fully support critical applications like high temperature, high pressure, explosive, corrosive, etc. The reliable and economic ventilation solutions for metro and tunnel application are also products you can count on. The above complete product line provides one-stop convenience to you. Beside the products, startup, commissioning, and maintenance service are provided locally to you through our international partners in your country. We name it Eagle Service, which means right to the point quickly. INFINAIR Control Solution provides fan control cabinet design, manufacturing, and integrate the communication between VA system and fans. Take an example. Inside a huge and modern mall in Manila, INFINAIR provided underground car park ventilation layout design, all positive inducing ventilators, all the related control cabinets, and the system would automatically control the CO contamination in the total 6 floors of car park region. Tailor making is also something meaningful. R&D ability is the core product reliability.
The 50 engineers of our R&D team have prepared more than 30 wear platforms. This means we can then quickly tailor-make a design for you without costing too much. The secret of how we can achieve this is, we choose one platform out of so many readily available ones. After that, we use CFD and FEA to simulate until we find out the performance you required. Maybe we need to modify blade height, blade numbers, or blade angle. Once it's done, we test the sample in INFINAIR lab to verify everything is okay. The offer is ready.
Our CFD, FEA, and CAD technology are fundamentally and significantly improving reliability.
As an engineer, I'm very proud that our products are widely certified by MCOM. Now, I'm working on applying more and more international certification, which we believe is essential for you.
INFINAIR Lab was established in 2006. Then in 2013, we reinvested over $2 million to renovate it. Now the one 30,000 cubic meters per hour and the two 200,000 cubic meters per hour super large-scale air chambers make the lab industrial leading world-class. INFINAIR Lab is the first lab in mainland China accredited by AMICA, and it is also listed as a nationally accredited testing laboratory by CNAS according to ISO standard 17025 by Chinese authorities. Our product value proposition is reliable, convenient, and novel. Reliability is always our first priority. 5S, lean production, APQP methods, and Six Sigma system. We practice these every day. Laser cutting, plasma cutting, robot welding, CNC lathe, CNC bending, CNC shearing. The investment on state-of-the-art machines decides your experience. Beside those, thousands of molds ensure the wheel platforms are right there to satisfy your needs. Such a large scale of product availability means convenient and quick solution. Our vibration test bench is 18 meters long, 10 meters wide. It is surrounded by a vibration reduction groove, independent from the workshop foundation, and 40 meters deep into the ground. According to Amica Standard 204, such test bench is a must to achieve BV3 grade, a vibration grade, which means good product. Beside hardware, we believe the person, especially his spirit, is the key factor. Artisan spirit is something not just appreciated, but being rewarded in the workshop. Hello, I am an operator of cutters. First thing I do every day is to check and verify the gas pressure, electric current setting, size of nozzles, and the routing setup in the drawings. Those tiny details decide quality. Every night before I leave, I would clean the machine carefully. That's a habit of everyone in my team. I proposed an improvement suggestion to the company, and I feel happy that they give me a bonus for that. INFINAIR is an ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSAS 18001 certified company. Our unified and consistent environmental protection, occupational health and safety management systems minimize risk of casualty accidents and occupational diseases, guarantee property safety, improve work efficiency. These systems are deeply implemented into our organization structure, planning, activity, responsibility, working rule, procedure, processes. We believe these efforts would in the end benefit our customers' experience.
We do care about your experience. That's why we focus on value. The R&D, product availability, the delivery, the noise, vibration, and efficient. Those are the values. We also pay a lot of energy on details, because all you see, you hear, you touch are from details. How can we achieve that? I transformed the company into a platform. They are partners of INFINAIR business. So your satisfaction is directly related to everyone. Our future, our family, and our development. That's why we care. Your extraordinary experience is our goal.